A very breezy and delightful morning to one and all, with immense special day. Celebration of our prestigious Woodstock School.
Our beloved dignitaries have graced this occasion with their presence, adding charm and grandeur to this special occasion. On behalf of the entire Woodstock family, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our dignitaries. You may truly make this day memorable.
It's now time for the pinning of badges, a moment of honor and recognition. We request our lovely Woodstockians to kindly pin the badges to our esteemed dignitaries. I would like to request our dignitaries to kindly join us for revisiting the memoirs that reflect the spirit of 25 years of legacy. Now I would request.
Hear about the real architects of the Woodstock Public School, Batala. The pillars of the school, the backbone of this institution. First we have our Honorable Dr. Satnam Singh Nijjar, the chairman of this school, who envisioned a visionary dream back in 2000s that is giving a very fruitful result each and every year to us. Next we have our respectable Dr. Satyendra Kaur Nijjar, who never, as a chairperson of our school, who never left a stone unturned to get this prestige to the school. Our journey with the principals of the school. Our first principal, Mrs. Amanpreet Kaur, took the initiative, and then Mrs. Harleen Kaur Bajwa, our second principal, continued with her legacy. Our third principal, Mr. Rishi Kochar, was all known for maintaining a strict discipline in the school premises. Mrs. Vishnu Jyoti, our fourth principal, was all known for the overall management. And now, our very dear Dr. N.C. as our principal and our guiding light. Under her guidance, we have achieved so much that we are thrilled to share with you all today. Thank you.
25 years. So today, we will be letting you know about the facilities cherished by the Woodstockians. Volleyball and basketball court act as a majestic arena of encouragement. Nearby, swimming pool glistens as a blue mirror, allowing every learner to glide. History, physics and biology labs taught us how to live practically, not theoretically. Maths lab and math park served as a playground of logic. Multimedia become the radiant lanterns of imagination. Yoga room acts as a sanctuary of stillness and peace. SST lab created curiosity in the students to ask questions about our history. All these spaces form the heartbeat of our institution, a beautiful woven tapestry. Today we just not stand here to honor the walls and the facilities that Woodstock provide to the Woodstockians, but the dreams that they saw behind them. Thank you.
Very good.
Festival is celebrated in a very joyous and enthusiastic way. Here you can see the glimpses of Langa distribution, Punjabi folk dance and many more are celebrated. Every year, every student gets a platform to showcase their talent. And each religion gets an equal chance to be represented. Here, the students learn about tradition, culture and the values of being a joyous person. Thank you. Celebration of Woodstock Public School. We stand before a symbol of dedication, compassion and the unstoppable spirit of our school. Today, we present this Achievers Book, the real shining face of our academic brilliance. This board is not just a collection of photographs. It is the hard work of our students, a living gallery full of dreams turned into achievements, where each face tells a story of hard work, courage and passion. For years, Woodstock Public School has stood as a beacon of quality education. And that is why our school produces toppers, district rankers and achievers who make us feel proud. These achievers are the living proof that when a school nurtures values, provides guidance, and builds confidence, then excellence becomes a habit and success becomes a tradition.
From 2009 to 2025, the Class 10 achievers have raised the flag of our school to the top. Their results reflect the strength of the foundation, the commitment of the teachers, and the dedication of the students to rise above every challenge.
As you can see, from 2016 to 2025, our class 12 achievers have added the golden color to our class. Our district topper of 2025, Simranjeet Singh, with a score of 97.2%, has brought immense honor and pride to Woodstock Public School.
Today, as we honor this brilliant mind,
We also celebrate the spirit of Woodstock Public School.
a school where dreams take flight,
Excellence finds its home
and achievers are born every single year.
Good, very good.
And this board represents our judo achievers. Each picture represents focus, discipline, and sheer willpower. Since pregnant, the judo team is constantly bringing medals at district, state, and international level. This board is not just about victories, it's about the hard training behind those victories. These students truly represent what's champion in action. Thank you.
A pleasant morning, everybody. I'm an Arabic course at Plus Medical, and this board is our second board that highlights the achievements of a wide range of sports in our school. From yoga to chess, volleyball to tug of war, badminton to hula hoop, and cricket to swimming, our students have shown excellence in every single field they experiment. These trophies and medals really show. These achievements show that our school doesn't just participate, but it always leads. So together we all celebrating the unstoppable spirit of our champions in action. Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Raina. Today I'm going to tell you about Down the Memory Lane of our very own school, Woodstock. Down the Memory Lane, we return to a place that is not just a school for us, but a memory, heartbeat, the core of every Woodstock. Lastly, the first school bell that filled us with excitement. Classroom, where innocent questions turn into pertinent answers. And the playground, where friendships were built, stronger than his feet. As we walk back the journey of 25 years back, we see glimpses of everything that made Woodstock what it is today. Thank you so much.
Some journeys are walked with our feet, but some are walked with our heart. And the journey of Woodstock Public School lives forever in the soft, unforgettable echo of who we were, who we are, and who we are becoming. Woodstock was just a school. It was our world of love, and discovery.
each classroom carries its own echo, an echo of boldness, of whispering doubts that turns into bold answers, the echo of teachers' voices that still guides us long after the bell rings, and the echo of laughter that could brighten the dullest Mondays. From annual functions to science fairs and science fairs to sports meet, each event becomes a chapter, each chapter turns into a memory, and each memory turns into an echo that still lives softly deep inside us. Thanks.
Good morning to all the dignitaries. I am Varika from grade 11th Arts. I am in front of you all to share a very historic moment for our city. The students from our Woodstock school got the first ever chance to visit Rashtrapati Bhavan from all over the city. This year, 4 students from our school were selected for this special visit. It was a very proud moment for us because getting this opportunity is not everyone's goal for us. Through this visit, us we came to know about how our country works at the higher level and how it is important for us, the young students like us, to dream big and work hard and achieve our goals. Thank you so much and hope you enjoy the annual function.
Our dignitaries are being escorted by our well-trained cadets whose confidence and dignity reflect the spirit of Woodstock. Please welcome them with joy and happiness.
हाँ सर एक फोटो कर लीजिए फोटो सुना जी सुना ठीक है जी थैंक यू सर
Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
There was a dream, small and bright, born in the dark, craving for light. A hope that one day hearts would say, we build something that will stay.
The start was simple, roads were few, but every step was strong and true. Hands joined hands.
To the sun, from every corner, voices call, this is our home, our heart, our home.
So let this day be bright and true, a tribute to the dream we grew for 25 years and years to come. We rise as one, we stand as one. Good morning, namaste, adab, kushamadeen, sat shri akal, ji aayat. A very warm welcome to one and all present today. With hearts brimming with joy and pride, we welcome you all to the grand celebration of Woodstock Public School Batala, our annual show 2025-26, based on the glorious theme Silverina, the journey of 25 years. Today is not just another morning, it's the dawn of a milestone. Woodstock now stands at the threshold of its 25th glorious year, a silver chapter waiting to unfold with new dreams, new hopes and renewed energy.
हर नई सुबह एक नई उम्मीद लाती है। वुडस्टॉक की ये सुबह 25 सालों के सपनों को सच बनाती है। This journey began with a vision to create not just a school, but a temple of learning where curiosity is kindled, creativity blooms, and character is built. Today, we are honored to welcome our guest of the day, Sardar Avtar Singh Sidhu, a distinguished educationist and a visionary leader. With a brilliant academic record in physics and over 3 decades of service in a prestigious college of Government College Gurdaspur, where his leadership helped the college earn a UGC accreditation for the first time. Sir has served on several academic and government bodies and is also a celebrated Punjabi poet, writer, stranger, and a respected literary figure.
Of the 25th year, it gives us immense pleasure to extend a warm and respectful welcome to the pillars of this institution, our chairperson, Dr. Tinderjeet Kaur Nijjhar, and chairman, Dr. Satnam Singh Nijjhar, whose unwavering guidance and constant encouragement have been the light that shows us the way.
We would also like to welcome Mr. Charanjit Singh Nijjhar and Professor Om Prakash. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Hi sir.
We extend a warm and respectful welcome to our guest of honor, Mr. Rishi Kochar, the former principal, Woodstock Public School. A distinguished leader known for his discipline, dedication, and progressive outlook, Mr. Kochar has always believed in shaping young minds through strong values and consistent effort. During this tenure, he not only strengthened us today, gracing this occasion with his presence.
We extend our heartfelt welcome to our dynamic principal, Dr. NC, whose vision, dedication, and motherly affection have shaped Woodstock into a hub of holistic education.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. At Woodstock, tradition, under the leadership of Dr. NC, our classrooms have become centers of expression and empowerment. नई सोच के साथ नए मंच तक प्रिंसिपल मैम ने बढ़ाया हर बच्चे का कॉन्फिडेंस.
We extend a heartfelt welcome to our academic director, Mrs. Vasudha Sharma. Her remarkable expertise and visionary academic and co-scholastic journey, guiding us towards greater heights. Little learners in their first alphabets to shaping achievers who shine globally. Our students not only excel in academics, but also in every arena
Of this remarkable evolution, a journey from knowledge to wisdom, from discipline to distinction.
And today's celebration, Silverina, is a reflection of that spirit of progress and perseverance. Each performance you witness today will narrate a story of Woodstock, a story written with hard work, heart, and hope.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's open our hearts and celebrate together this moment of pride and promise as Woodstock steps into its 25th year with gratitude for the past, confidence in the present, and dreams soaring high for the future.
Once again, a very warm welcome to one and all. The Silverina, the journey of 25 years, a journey of dreams, determination, and distinction. Thank you and have a wonderful morning ahead.
Parents are requested to collect the vote from Woodstock Gate after the function.
Photography is strictly prohibited. Parents are not allowed to come forward to click photographs.
If you really wish to click photos, please turn off the flash.
Maintain decorum inside the auditorium. Avoid shouting or moving around during performances.
Mobile phones should be switched off or kept on silent mode.
Standing in aisles or near the stage is not allowed as it may disturb others.
Late entry is discouraged to avoid interruption of the program.
Eating and drinking inside the auditorium is not permitted.
Parents are requested to ensure that their little ones do not run inside the auditorium to avoid any accidents or mishaps.
Kindly applaud and encourage the students at appropriate moments but avoid excessive noise that may distract them.
In case of any emergency, there are 5 exit doors. 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and 1 at the back. Kindly follow the instructions provided by the school staff.
It is a humble request to all the parents to kindly stay for the entire show and not leave after your child's performance. Every student has worked hard and put an immense effort to make this event a success. Your presence and appreciation means a lot to them. We sincerely thank you for your cooperation and hope you enjoy the program. Thank you.
Every auspicious age, wisdom and the removal of darkness. As the flame glows steadily, it reminds us that education is the light that guides our path and dispels the shadows of ignorance.
May this lamp inspire every soul present here to walk on the path of truth, knowledge, and compassion. As the sacred flame flickers, it also symbolizes the spirit of Silverina, 25 glorious years of Woodstock Public School. Shine brighter with each passing year.
To mark the beginning of this grand celebration, we would like to invite our esteemed dignitaries for the lamp lighting ceremony. Let us all together witness the radiance of this divine light as it spreads.
जब मेरे दीवे आते नू मैंने माहौल नहीं देना जग मेरे दीवे जग मेरे दीवे जग मेरे दीवे आते नू मैंने माहौल नहीं देना जग मेरे दीवे जग मेरे दीवे बदलते कौम दी खातिर शहीदां ने जगाया सी तेरी इस लाट दे विचों भगत सिंह मुस्कुराया सी शहीदां दी अमानत दे मैंने और नहीं देना किसे मासूम दी अखियां चुहंजू छोड़ नहीं माहौल नहीं देना जग मेरे दीविया जग मेरे दीविया
मिलकर प्रभु के चरणों में अपना सिर झुकाएं और इस पावन प्रस्तुति को महसूस करें।
प्रस्तुत है शब्द कीर्तन, एक ऐसी आत्मिक प्रस्तुति जो हमारे दिलों को भक्ति और शांति से भर देगी। एक सुंदर शांतिपूर्ण आरंभ,
एक ऐसी अनुभूति जो इस सुबह को और भी मधुर कर देगी और हमारे दिल और दिमाग को खुश कर देगी।
आज जब हम अपने विद्यालय में रजत जयंती समारोह का आरंभ कर रहे हैं, तो आओ हम सब मिलकर वाहेगुरु जी से यही प्रार्थना करें कि उनकी कृपा और आशीर्वाद सदा हम पर बना रहे। हमारा विद्यालय यूं ही ज्ञान और संस्कार की ज्योति से जगमगाता रहे और हर विद्यार्थी सफलता के उजियारे पथ पर आगे बढ़ता रहे।
तो आइए पूरे मन से भक्ति भाव में डूबे और इस पावन प्रस्तुति को महसूस करें।
सतगुर
more. ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ, ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ ਜਿਸ ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂਆਂ ਸਰਬੰਸ ਵਾਰਿਆ। ਸਰਬੰਸ ਵਾਰਨਾ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ? ਇਹ ਕਲਗੀਆਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛੋ, ਇਹ ਬਾਜਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛੋ। ਸਿੱਖ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੇਮਿਸਾਲ ਸ਼ਹਾਦਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਦਾਸਤਾਨ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਸਿੱਖ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਮਹੱਤਵਪੂਰਨ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰਬੰਸ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੌਮ ਲਈ ਕੁਰਬਾਨ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪ ਬਾਲਕ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਪਾਲਕ ਵਾਰਿਆ, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪ ਪਾਲਕ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਲਕ ਵਾਰ ਦਿੱਤੇ। ਸਿਰ ਜਾਏ ਪਰ ਸਿਧਾਂਤ ਨਾ ਜਾਏ, ਇਹ ਸੀ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਰੀਤ। ਪਿਤਾ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਦੀ ਤਪਤ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਬਣੀ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ, ਬਣੀ ਸੱਚਾਈ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ। ਇਹ ਸ਼ਹਾਦਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦਾ ਆਧਾਰ ਹਨ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਦਰਾਂ ਕੀਮਤਾਂ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਜੰਝੂ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ, ਪਰ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਜੰਝੂ ਲਹਿਣ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇਹ ਕੁਰਬਾਨੀ ਮਨੁੱਖਤਾ ਦੇ ਹੱਕਾਂ ਲਈ ਸੀ। ਮਾਤਾ ਗੁਜਰੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ 'ਚ ਸੀ ਵਿਰੇ ਦੀ ਅੱਗ ਅਜ਼ਾਨ, ਪਰ ਧਰਮ ਦੇ ਖਾਤਰ ਖੜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਸ ਘਰ ਦਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਾਣ, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਾਣ। ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਤੂੰ ਧਰਮ ਦੀ ਢਾਲ, ਤੂੰ ਕੌਮ ਦਾ ਨਿਡਰ ਸਰੂਪ, ਤੂੰ ਸਦਾ ਜਿੰਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੌਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਅੰਗ ਅੰਗ ਦਾ ਸਰੂਪ। ਤੇਰੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਸਹਿਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਰੱਬੀ ਰੰਗ ਨਿਰਾਲਾ, ਸਿਰ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਚਮਕ ਗਿਆ ਧਰਮ, ਸਿਰ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਚਮਕ ਗਿਆ ਧਰਮ। ਇਹ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ ਨਿਰਾਲਾ, ਇਹ ਸਿੱਖ ਧਰਮ ਨਿਰਾਲਾ। ਆਓ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸ਼ਹਾਦਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਟਨ ਕੋਟ ਪ੍ਰਣਾਮ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੇ ਆਸ਼ੀਰਵਾਦ ਲਈਏ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹੀਏ। ਆਓ ਸਾਰੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਫਤਿਹ ਦੀ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਈਏ। ਗੱਜ ਕੇ ਜਕਾਰਾ ਲਾਇਓ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Widely through its classical dance form, each movement, each gesture, and each expression carries centuries of tradition, devotion, and grace. Today, our talented students are here to present a mesmerizing live classical dance performance, bringing alive the spirit of art, rhythm, and dedication. So let's welcome them with a huge round of applause as they weave magic on the stage to the language of dance and devotion, adding charm and color to our silver jubilee dedication. Presenting before you is soulful live classical dance performance, bringing alive the spirit of art, rhythm, and divine artistry. Once again, welcome them with a huge round of applause.
भोर भये उठ बंजनहार, साज सिंगार जो राधे बनायो, गागर सिरे धर निकसी राधे, यमुना जल भरने को, मगर बीच कृष्ण करत बरजारी, मानो कृष्ण कन्हाई, तुम मानो कुंवर कन्हाई, मानो कृष्ण कन्हाई। ऐसो हठीलो शैल मगना कट है, गिरधारी बनवारी, ऐसो ऐसो हठीलो शैल मगरौकत है गिरधारी बनवारी ऐसो हठीलो शैल मगरौकत है गिरधारी बनवारी ऐसो हठीलो शैल मगरौकत है। Pani papa, pani sa, pama pa, pani sa, gama sa gani sa pa sa ni. Pani papa sa, say say sat sa, say say sat sa, say say sat sa, say say. Tiki kata gani gani sa, 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 tiki kata gani gani sa. Tiki kata gani gani sa, tiki kata gani gani sa, tiki kata gani gani sa. Say say sat sa, say say sat sa, say say sat sa. Say tana tere nahi, deep tana tere na, 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 tere na tere na, tana deep tana tere na, tere na tere na, tana deep tana tere na, tana tere nahi, deep tana tere na, tana tere nahi, deep tana tere na, tana tere nahi, deep tana tere na, tana tere na, sa say say sat sa, say say sat sa, say say sat sa, say say sat sa. Tiki kata gani gani sa, ti sa, 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 tiki kata gani gani sa, ti sa. Na dirdani tum dirdani deep tana tare rani, na dirdani tum dirdani deep tana tare rani, ta deep deep tana na ta deep deep tana, ta deep deep tana na ta deep deep tana. Sa sa dikit sa sa dikit sa dikit tum dikit sinna da da dikit sa sa dikit sa dikit tum dikit sinna dikit sa dikit sa dikit sa. Tana tere nahi, deep tana tere na, tana tere nahi, tana tere nahi, tana tere nahi.
Good morning, one and all. Today is not just any celebration, it's a tribute to a legacy of learning, love, and leadership. A journey that began 25 years ago with a dream in the hearts of a few and continues to inspire thousands who call Woodstock home. This year, we step onto the threshold of 25 glorious years, a milestone, a silver chapter, a story of dreams, dedication, and determination. And just like every story has its chapters, the name Silverina carries the essence of Woodstock itself. Each letter a reflection, a values, and a story of our journey. Let's unfold the silver chapter.
Strength. Strength of Woodstock lies in its foundation, A foundation built with dedication, discipline, and dreams. From a single vision to a thriving institution, our strength has always been our unity. Teachers who inspire, students who strive, and parents who believe.
Inspiration. Every achievement, every challenge overcome has been a source of inspiration. Inspiration is a jump in success. It lives in every small effort, every spark of curiosity, and every moment that whispers, yes, I can.
Learning. Learning at Woodstock goes beyond classrooms. It's about learning to live, to grow, to question, and to create. For 25 years, Woodstock has been a temple of knowledge, opening minds and enlightening souls.
Vision. A school becomes extraordinary when guided by vision. A vision that shapes the citizens of tomorrow, grounded in values yet ready to conquer the world.
Empowerment. Education is not just about knowledge, it's about empowerment. Empowering the students to think independently, act confidently, and believe unwaveringly in themselves, and that's the Woodstock way.
Resilience. Every journey faces storms, but it's resilience that keeps the flame alive. Woodstock has faced many challenges with courage, turning obstacles into stepping stones towards success.
Integrity. At the heart of every lesson lies integrity. Being truthful, kind, and fair. This is the character Woodstock nurtures in every child.
Nurturing. Woodstock is more than a school. It's a family. Here, every child is nurtured with care and compassion. Every talent is encouraged, every dream protected, and every effort celebrated.
Achievement. And as we stand today, we celebrate achievement, not just of medals or ranks, but of moments, memories, and milestones. Entering into the gates of 25 years of academic excellence, cultural brilliance, and moral strength, the shining silver crown of Woodstock.
Sail through the seas of our legacy, where every triumph shines like a guiding star.
And every challenge conquered becomes a stepping stone in the grand tapestry of Woodstock's journey.
Stand on the summit of today,
where curiosity blooms like radiant flowers.
Creativity flows like the rivers of light,
and every effort, every dream
builds the bridges to brighter horizons.
Plant the seeds of knowledge and values. Let them grow into the mighty trees of courage and wisdom, whose branches touch the skies of endless possibilities. May our students soar like eagles, shine like morning sun, and carry the torch of learning, lighting the world with brilliance, compassion, and hope.
Today, we celebrate Silverina, the journey of 25 years, a journey that honors the past, embraces the present, and promises a future. Welcome to Silverina, 25 years of dream, distinction, and dedication, where we are going to explore the past, embrace the present, and empower the future.
Sometimes it is in the shadows that the deepest stories are told. Shadows, silent yet powerful, can express emotions that words often fail to capture.
This special act, the Silver Silhouettes, beautifully combines art, movement, and imagination to portray the glorious 25-year journey of Woodstock Public School, a journey from vision to victory, from dreams to achievement.
As the silhouettes unfold before you, you'll witness the story of dedication, determination, and dreams taking flight. Each shadow on the screen represents the bright light of knowledge that our institution has spread over the years.
So sit back and let your hearts be touched by this unique shadow act, a heartfelt tribute to our school's Silver Jubilee celebration, the Silver Silhouettes. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
अब एक रंग है, हो जहाँ भी ले जाए राह, हम संग हैं, हो तेरे मेरे सपने। अब एक रंग है, हो जहाँ भी ले जाए राह, खुद से आप पूछ ले, कैसी चाहे जिंदगी, खुली आंखों से देख ले। रे धारा चले चले रे तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा।
आए सर
Yeah, a huge round of applause, everybody. Some journeys are not measured in years. They are measured in lives tightly turned into memories we have for lifetime. Tonight isn't about celebrating a building or a timeline. Tonight is about celebrating a vision that chose to grow. A vision nurtured by every teacher who showed up with purpose, every student who dared to dream, every challenge that strengthened us, and every victory that pushed us forward. And so as we stand in the heart of this Silver Jubilee celebration, we pause to honor the journey behind us and the commitment that carried us through these 25 extraordinary years. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to our respected principal, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Standing here, I recall the year 2014 when I joined this institution. I was in that confident that I could make a difference. But if I could do something, that was just because the strength, the courage that has been given by the chairman and chairperson. There have been many times, very many areas that came up or brought me the bottom low, but that time they were there to tell me, no problem, go on, these are ups and downs that comes up, never mind and never give up. This word came to my life from them only, and I think I have never given up later. And thank you so much for being there with me in all these years. I think it's been 11 years that I spent in Batala. All this work which I have done, or which I could do something for the school, it's not just because of my work. See, when a building has been is under construction, the foundation that is being laid, if it is not strong, whatever you build over that foundation will also be shaking. So I am so grateful to the former principals, those who had laid a strong foundation for the school. I really extend my gratitude towards Mr. Rishi Kochar and above all the first principal whom I really remember with great respect, Mrs. Amanpreet Kaur Mavi. She has been. Right now also sometimes whenever she calls me up, she asks about the school, still in touch with and of course eager to know about the movement or the whatever happens in the school. So this has always been a great honor for me, and that I feel as respect. Even my hands are shaking. Above all this, there is a great salute to all the parents from 2014 onwards or 2001 onwards who have been standing as a real pillars, real support for the school. And because of their support only, that means your support from 2001, that has been received and it is receiving. And I really salute you all and extend my gratitude towards you. Standing on this 25th year, it's been a pleasure meeting so many of the batches coming out, thousands of children learned, and always I have been a real tough person before them, because I know the present world doesn't allow the mothers or the parents to scold their children. So that portion I had taken it up, because I know you love your children a lot. The love to that extent, sometimes you feel little bad, or it hurts you a lot to scold your children. But for that role of yours, still I am carrying it on. So thank you for believing in me, trusting in me, because I want a generation that comes to the society for you to create a generation who is very respectful and responsible towards the family, towards the parents, and towards the society. And in this journey of all these years, if because of any of my decisions, any of my sayings or words, if it has hurt you, I'm really sorry for the same, because it was for you only. Thank you so much. I still feel Woodstock has a great future, great journey, because you are associated with a school that is growing every day, every minute, which brings in more of innovations, more of decentralization of powers given, and children are the student council who is there, who really work for the school. And above all, my strength in doing that is my staff. On this day, the staff who has worked with me and who is not right now with me, and also all the staff who is working today also and for all these years and further. I wish all of you a great days ahead, great profession ahead, and thank you for listening to me. Thank you, sir.
The annual function, Silverina. I, Nana Sanan, has got this privilege to present academic report of the school. Woodstock Public School completes 25 years of its excellence. We feel very proud to celebrate this event with great hard work, academic excellence, and unbroken tradition of 100% board results of the school. We have kept the spirit alive this year as well. Let's start with class 10th achievements. Harshit Nair, the school topper with 97.2%. The subject toppers of various subjects in English, Science and Computer Science, the students are Harshit Nair, Gurleen Phullar and Himani. But the count is not over yet. Let's start with class 12th achievements. The district topper of our school for this session is Simranjeet Singh with 97% from plus 2 non-medical, Manik Agarwal from plus 2 commerce with 97%, and more than 25 students have scored above 90% and 60 students above 80%. Please give a good round of applause for their achievements. Our past achievers with 99.2%, and Sneha Mahajan with 98% have become the district toppers of her school in the previous years. There are numerous students who have scored very well and have performed to best of their achievements. Woodstock Public School has stand its firm with good academic brilliance and holistic growth. Thank you.
ਸਤਿਕਾਰਯੋਗ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ, ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਮੈਂ ਬੜੇ ਫਖਰ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 23 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਸ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੀ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬੌਧਿਕ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਬੌਧਿਕ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਤਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਸਮਾਜਿਕ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਧਰਮ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਧਰਮ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਨਾ ਜਾਣ। ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮੇਂ-ਸਮੇਂ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਉਤਸਵ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਗਿਆਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਵੀ ਸੰਮੇਲਨ, ਸ਼ਬਦ ਗਾਇਨ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਈ ਗਤੀਵਿਧੀਆਂ ਕਰਵਾਈਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਅਨੇਕਾਂ ਹੀ ਮੱਲਾਂ ਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸ਼ਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਨਵੇਂ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਆਰੰਭਤਾ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਆਰੰਭ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਲਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਪਰੰਤ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਵਾਤਾਵਰਣ ਦਿਵਸ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖ ਵਾਤਾਵਰਣ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵਾਤਾਵਰਣ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਸੰਭਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਪ੍ਰੇਰਿਤ ਹੋਣ। ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਤੇ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਖਾਲੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਲੋੜ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਜਨਤਕ ਸਥਾਨ ਤੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਉਹਦੀ ਸਾਂਭ ਸੰਭਾਲ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਨ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਵਾਤਾਵਰਣ ਦੀ ਸੰਭਾਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇ, ਜਿਹਦਾ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਰੁੱਖ ਲਾਈ ਨਾਲ। ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਆ ਉਹ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਮਨੁੱਖ ਦੀ ਮੁੱਢਲੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਦਿੰਦੇ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਉਤਸਵ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਗੁਰਪੁਰਬ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਮ ਬਾਣੀ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਪਰੰਤ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ ਤੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਕੜਾਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਦੀ ਦੇਗ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ, ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਦੇ ਹਨ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕੜਾਹ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਖਾਣ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, ਇਹ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਕਤੀ ਛੁਪੀ ਹੈ, ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦੀ ਦਾਤ ਵਾ। ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੀ ਅਲੌਕਿਕ ਦਾਤ ਵਾ ਤੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਹਦੀ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਨ। ਲੰਗਰ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਦਾ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਆ ਟੁੱਟ ਦਾਤ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵਰਤਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਤਿਆਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਖੁਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਅਧਿਆਪਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਤਕਾ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਈ ਬੜੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਦਾਤ ਹੈ। ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਸਿਖਲਾਈ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਕਿਉਂ? ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਧਰਮ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਦੂਜਾ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਰੀਰਕ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਕਸਰਤ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਧਨ ਹੈ, ਤੀਸਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਦਾ ਨਾਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਭਾਵਨਾ ਪੈਦਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਖੁਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ। ਇਹ ਸਿਖਲਾਈ ਸਿਰਫ ਲੜਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ, ਲੜਕੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਈ ਭਾਗੋ ਵਰਗੀਆਂ ਔਰਤਾਂ ਪੈਦਾ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਣ। ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਵ ਸਿਰਫ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਪੈਦਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, ਇੱਕ ਚੰਗੇ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਪੈਦਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਚੰਗੇ ਨਿਰੋਏ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੀ ਸਿਰਜਣਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੇ ਚੰਗੇ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰ ਆਪੇ ਹੀ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੇ। ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਫਖਰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ।
Healthy good afternoon to all sitting over here, respected principal ma'am, all the principals, our linemen and worthy parents. Me Sandeep, on behalf of Sports Department of Woodstock, I welcome you all. I have been part of Woodstock for the last 1.5 decades, and in this, my journey was so phenomenal that I have learned a lot from Woodstock. What I am today, it's only because of the ethics, what I have learned from Woodstock. And if I talk about sports, in the early days of our Woodstock, we were having only 2 sports, but with the passage of time, under the able guidance of our management, principals and the support of the parents and my students also, we are having more than 10 to 15 sports in our school at this moment. And our students are not only playing these sports, but they have achieved higher levels, whether it's primary school games or district level competitions, zonal or in the nationals. They have represented Woodstock School. And more than 10 national medalists were produced from the year 2015 to 2025. And this is under the able guidance of Dr. Mann that we introduced badminton in 2015. And I proudly say that our two students, Hardik and Gokul, were the part of our first team which was made by Woodstock. They represented district Gurdaspur in state and got gold medal. After 6 long years, district Gurdaspur got the gold medal in state. And they represented in the nationals and Gokul got the national gold medal over there. Same goes for the other sports also. Last to last year, we got 4 state medals, 3 national medalists we have produced in badminton in all the categories of 14, 17 and 19. Not only the sports we are teaching, we are giving the coaching of our students, but the education behind and the training behind all these medals was very hard. It was full of sacrifices, hard work, sweat, blood in the ground they spent over there. That is the reason that the flag of Woodstock is highly in the sky, flying in good colors. So the education is not only given in the grounds, but it is not confined to the Woodstock walls. But with the passage of time to time, Woodstock is organizing different competitions in the school and outside the walls of the school, so that awareness regarding the health should be given to the society to keep themselves away from all the social evils which are prevailing in the society. Mostly, if I name them, drugs is the most important thing that we need to take care of our students and our own self. So on behalf of Woodstock family and Woodstock, I thank you all for making this function a great success. Now I will pass on my mic to our sensei, Mr. Dinesh. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all the present dignitaries and all lovely parents and my fellow colleagues. I am very overwhelmed here in front of you to share my report on my own respective game, Judo. This is Dinesh Kumar Sharma. At present, I am working as the National A grade license holder, Judo referee from Judo Federation of India. In my front, the real mentors, by their words or by their whip on my back, they had forced me, because I thought they had checked any spark in me कि ये कुछ कर सकता है, इसे करवाना चाहिए. एक बार डॉक्टर ने मेरे को बोला भी था ऑफिस में कि अगर मैं आपको कोई वर्क दे रही हूँ, कभी इसको ये मत सोचना कि मेरे को ही क्यों काम दिया जा रहा है. दैट मीन आप उस काम को करने में सक्षम हो और मैं आपसे और अच्छा चाहती हूँ कि आप उससे भी और अच्छा कर सकते हो. और these words, they had made my life. I had joined school in session 2005. I was young angry man, young boy. At that time, I was boy. Now I'm the parent of 2 kids. But do you know why I use this word ki I was boy? Since 20 years I am working in this institute. अब इनमें वो बैचेस के बच्चे भी हमारे पास आ रहे हैं जो अपने बच्चों को लेके आते हैं एडमिशन के लिए, बोलते हैं ये आपके दादाजी है. That is the only reason. So back to my report. We had started with the help a small seed which is sown by Dr. Sir, Dr. Ma'am, and with the help of my backbone, Rishi Sir. We had started a small journey of judo with 12 mats. Now at present we have 100 mats, and that is Olympic standard mats. And very big achievement. We had started journey with that mat, and with the span of just 6 months, I produced first state medalist girl, Shabit Kaur Mangat. Now she is the famous cardiologist and working in USA. Then after that, many more champions came, and we started journey from small town. Now these steps almost gone to the international arena. In 2016, World School Game medalist we produced from Woodstock. In CBSE National Games, 4 times we are champions, All India champions. Afterwards, North Zone 2, 8 times we are champions. And many of the competitions which are organized by the Federation, Judo Federation of India, IOA, Indian Olympic Association, then other federation tournaments or the selections of the international champions. And I am the proud father standing in front of all of you. Last session, my son, he goes for the Junior World Championship trials. He stood first. इंडिया करने का भी मौका हमें 2016 में हमारे वुडस्टॉक में मिला था, जब हम लोगों का एक सीनियर प्लेयर जो रियो ओलंपिक्स खेल के आया था जूडो। तो इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर। बोलने को भी बहुत कुछ है, बट समय थोड़ा कम है। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू हैंड ओवर माय माइक टू मुस्कान।
यहाँ पर उपस्थित समस्त अतिथिगणों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन। मैं मुस्कान खुल्लर पिछले 20 वर्षों से इस विद्यालय के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ। ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत प्यारा सा अनुभव रहा है। इस विद्यालय में केवल किताबी शिक्षा ही नहीं दी जाती, बल्कि शिक्षा के साथ साथ बच्चों का संपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व का विकास भी होता है। समय समय पर हमारे विद्यालय में बहुत सारी गतिविधियों का आयोजन भी किया जाता है, और मुझे ये बताते हुए बहुत फख्र महसूस हो रहा है कि हमारे ही वुडस्टॉक पब्लिक स्कूल के होनहार छात्रों ने राज्य एवं राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर विभिन्न प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेते हुए प्रथम, द्वितीय एवं तृतीय स्थान अर्जित कर वुडस्टॉक के नाम पर 4 चांद लगा दिए। शुभ मौके पर आपसे एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ। If I am standing in front of you ना, because of the Woodstock family.
सबका यहाँ पर हार्दिक स्वागत। मैं रेणु भाटिया इस संस्था से, ये संस्था नहीं एक घर है, हमारे लिए एक दूसरा घर है। इसके साथ पिछले 17 वर्षों से जुड़े हैं। हमारा स्कूल सहोदय कॉम्प्लेक्स बटाला और अमृतसर का हिस्सा है, और सहोदय कॉम्प्लेक्स की तरफ से करवाई जा रही हर प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेकर हमेशा प्रथम और द्वितीय स्थान पर रहा है। इसके अलावा इंटेक की तरफ से करवाई जा रही कई प्रतियोगिताएं, जैसे कि वर्ल्ड पीस डे, वर्ल्ड स्नेक डे, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे, ना जाने कितनी प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेकर प्रथम और द्वितीय स्थान पर रहते हैं। इस बार हमारे विद्यार्थियों को एक नई उपलब्धि हासिल हुई। ट्रिब्यून की तरफ से करवाई गई मॉक यूएन चैलेंजेस में भाग लेकर उन्होंने एक नया अनुभव हासिल किया, और आशा करती हूँ ऐसे ही अनुभव वो हमेशा आगे भी लेते रहेंगे। मैं बस आपको इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि आपने अपने पौधे रूपी बच्चे को इस माली रूपी विद्यालय को सौंपा है, जो कि अपनी मेहनत, लगन और संस्कारों की खाद से और मूल्यों के पानी से सींचकर इस समाज को उत्तम नागरिक दे रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
खुशामदीद जी आया नूं तुहाडा सारिਆਂ ਦਾ स्वागत ताड़ियां मैं रविंदर कौर पिछले 18 साल तो इस सुपने नाल जुड़ी सुपना बड़ा खुल्लियां अखां नाल वेखिया मैं सुपने नूं रिड़दियां तुरदियां ते फिर दौड़दियां देखिया ते जदों ये सुपना दौड़िया ते सोसाइटी च तरथल्ली मच गई कंपीटिशन बढ़ गया क्योंकि वुडस्टॉक ने वो मीनार स्थापित करते जिन्होंने हाथ लाना मुश्किल से पर वुडस्टॉक का मकसद सिर्फ एजुकेटर पैदा करना तो है ही नहीं कि सिर्फ सिक्ख्या देनी वुडस्टॉक का मकसद नहीं उन्होंने मकसद सी कि बच्चे मानसिक तौर पर शरीरक तौर पर इन्ने स्ट्रोंग हो कि वो हर मुसीबत का हर परेशानी का हल करना ये वुडस्टॉक का मकसद इतने सोने के सुहागे वाली गल कि डॉक्टर साहब डॉक्टर मैम आप डॉक्टर उन्होंने पता सी कि सिर्फ काउंसलिंग नाल मानसिक बुद्धि ठीक नहीं होनी ये लिए जरूरी है गेम्स खेडा तो वो हर खेड लैके आए जिहदे नाल बच्चे तो टीचर्स सिर्फ मानसिक नहीं शरीरक तौर पर स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हौली हौली समा हो गया बच्चे बदले बच्चों की सोच बदली हूँ बच्चों को यह पता है कि वैलेंटाइन डे क्यों मनाया जाता है पर दिवाली के पीछे की इतिहास है लोहड़ी के पीछे की हिस्ट्री है तो गुरपुरब क्यों मनाया जाता है किवें मनाया जाता है भुल गए पर मैनूं खुशी है कि स्कूल ने टाइम टाइम से जो उन्होंने मौका मिला उन्होंने सारिया चीज़ों रूबरू कराया उन्होंने सब तो माण वाली गल कि हर साल स्कूल गुरपुरब वाले दिन लंगर लगाया जाता है और लंगर बच्चे आप अध्यापक उन्होंने नाल तैयार करते हैं कोई हलवाई नहीं लाती बच्चे ते सिर्फ टीचर्स वो लंगर तैयार करते हैं तो लंगर वरताउन की सारी जिम्मेदारी बच्चों को दी जाती है ताकि बच्चों को यह पता लग सके कि लंगर संगत पंगत च छकिया जाता है ना कि कुर्सियां ते बैठ ये सब कुछ सिखाने लिए कोई एक महीना एक साल नहीं लगता इस चीज़ को सिखाने लिए 25 साल लगे 25 साल अगे कंटिन्यू आ गई पर 25 साल निकल गए ये सारी चीज़ां बच्चों को सिखाने मैं थैंक्स करती हाँ इन्होंने सारे प्रिंसीपल्स का जिन्होंने समय समय से अपने तजर्बे नाल अपनी सख्त मेहनत नाल स्कूल को उस बुलंदी तक पहुँचाया मैं थैंक्स करती हाँ उन्होंने टीचर्स का जिहड़े समय समय से इस स्कूल के नाल जुड़े अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया मैं थैंक्स करती हाँ उन्होंने मापियां का जिहड़े हर वेले अपने कीमती सुझाव सानूं दिंदे रहंदे ते स्पैशल थैंक्स जसबीर मैम ते सुखमनी मैम जिहड़े बेशक इस दुनिया में नहीं पर उन्होंने यादां उन्होंने एथिक्स इस स्कूल के हजे भी पैरा दे मैनूं उम्मीद है कि यह सफर इत्थे ही खलोता नहीं रहेगा ये प्रिंसीपल सानूं अगे भी गाइड करते रहेंगे पेरेंट्स अगे भी सुझाव दिंदे रहेंगे ताकि ये स्कूल जो अज है इस तो किते अगे बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि इत्थे तुहाडे बच्चे आते हैं तुहाडे बच्चों का फ्यूचर है स्कूल में तो हर वेले वुडस्टॉक तुहाडा सम्मान करता है तुहाडे थॉट्स का कि तुसीं की विचार लैके आते हो बोलने लिए बहुत कुछ है पर उन्होंने बोलने लिए 25 मिनट काफ़ी नहीं 25 मिनट काफ़ी नहीं सानू पता है माइक मेरे हाथ च होए तो फिर 25 मिनट नहीं क्योंकि 25 साल का सफर 25 मिनट कोई नहीं दस क्योंकि वुडस्टॉक का सिद्धांत एक ही सिद्धांत वुडस्टॉक चलता है कि अक्सर खामोश रहते हैं जो लोग अक्सर खामोश रहते हैं जो लोग उन्होंने काम बोलता है
Hi, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sir, ma'am, and everyone. Good afternoon, one and all present over here. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. On behalf of entire Woodstock family, I would like to thank you, both of you, for always supporting us as a family and making this family a real Woodstock Parivar. Thank you so much.
I thank all the teachers and our dignitaries who made